My friend and I went to the village post office the other day. I helped myself to a few little things. Got myself some postcards and even a nice envelope with Patron, the heroic, mine-detecting, mine-sniffing Jack Russell, peeing on a landed Russian missile in a field. And I'm going to show you what else is inside. Nice little postcard referring to when the Russians told the Ukrainians stationed on Snake Island in close proximity to Odessa, basically surrender. It's quite well known now what the response from the Ukrainian guy was. I think the expression is balls of steel. So I thought of a few people I know who might appreciate getting a postcard like this. And I also couldn't resist the fact that Patron's got his own postcards as well. And I think a couple of people would like to receive that in the post. Bless him. And here's the lifeline. The well, which I think we came to before, but I may have got that wrong. I think I mentioned that my friends share this well with 2 other households on the street. And I'm just taking myself off for a bit of a walk on my own. I've slipped the leash. I haven't told anyone. And I'm going to look a bit strange probably when some of the local folk happen to hear me and see me on my own. And now I feel like I need to stretch my legs a little bit. I'm feeling lazy. I've really got like a sleeping sickness, I jokingly called it. Feels like coming to the village. Well, to be fair, even in that village style accommodation I had in Kamyanets-Podilsky, that feeling of sloth was creeping up on me. And coming here to the real village, whew, yes. When you're getting out of bed at 10 o'clock in the morning and you're still feeling tired, and then you're feeling tired again and yawning at 10 o'clock at night, and in all honesty, it doesn't seem as though you've done very much, unlike my friends who are working all the time in one regard or another. I can't claim that to be the case, and why would I feel so sleepy? I can only say it's the excess oxygen, perhaps, which I'm enjoying. Could that be it? Oh, there's a car coming. Better watch myself. This was quite a wealthy village back in the day, but over the last 30 years there's been a decline. And noticed on my previous walk around that there are a lot of buildings just abandoned, it appears. The agricultural industry was the mainstay of the place, but these days, not so much. Another nice looking country garden over there. I wonder what those pots are doing on the end of sticks. It's a bit of a mystery to me. Here's a nice vehicle. It's called Zubra, which means bison in Polish. Can't buy them in the shops. Looks as though I found a buddy to come for a walk with me. Although maybe he's more interested in just scratching around. Welcome back to the village. And the word is, could just be an ugly rumour, but it seems the woodpecker could be back. Woody was seen in the garden in the evening. That can mean only one thing. He's got foul play on his mind. His normal arrival time, if he's going to show up, historically was around 6 o'clock in the morning. But you can't keep 24-hour surveillance on the nest behind me to make sure that Woody the woodpecker doesn't come to wreak havoc and try to kill the chicks. Rogue woodpeckers. Never realised they were such a pest, because they look kind of attractive, don't they? They're okay so far. And here should be an ally. Merchick should be very good at stopping Woody the woodpecker in his tracks, but he's just a little bit too... well, Merchick is scared of chickens, apparently. You're a bit useless, Merchick, aren't you? A bit like me. Forbidden fruit. We're in the Garden of Eden.